Model, 2020 Citroën Relay 35L3 Diesel 2.2 BlueHDi H2 VAN 140 PS Enterprise Noisy Engine. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 120293. MOT, the 22nd of November 2024. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, sat-nav, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 8,000.